Morning, dear students. How are you? Hope you all are fine. Today we will learn how to make a project of class 11th and 12th accountancy and business studies. I give a different ideas of project. Listen carefully. This is the topic of cash flow statement. You make any topic of this type. In this cash flow statement, three types of activity: operating activity, investing activity, and financing activity. All activity you explain in these cards. This is investing activity. What accounting treatment is in follow in you can write in these cards. Now the second type of operating activity, investing activity, and financing activity on this topic, share capital. If cross puzzle 3 rounds, it in round contain 4 questions. First question is dash is the money. Answer is share capital. And second question is non convertible, that is equity. Answer is sweet equity. Next answer question is dash company do not reject any application that is under subscription. Yes, you can make project on this type. Crossword puzzles. Round second contain the question of Chhattisgarh. Capital of Chhattisgarh. Raipur. Official language of Chhattisgarh is Hindi. And next question is famous food of Chhattisgarh is Amat. Folk dance of Chhattisgarh is Saleda dance. And round 3 is be contain question of share capital. First one is dash of share means the cancellation of share for non-payment of cost due. Four features. And next one is the sale of forfeited share is called dash reissue. And the next one is dash is the reserve which is created out of profit company generate by its non-operating activity. The answer is capital reserve. And fourth one is a public is document called in dash which terms and condition of issue are stated along with the purpose of proceed of issues of security used, that is prospectus. Topic of principle of management. Henry Fayol principle is unity of command, equity, stability of personnel, initiative, centralization and decentralization, unity of direction. These are 14 principles. You can make wall hanging of this type. Division of work, remuneration of employees, esprit de corps, this project you can make with use of paper, wool and chart sheets. अथॉरिटी एंड रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी देखेंगे कैसे छोटे से चार्ट में आपको अथॉरिटी के बारे में दिखाया गया है। स्केलर चेन, ए ऑर्डर देता है बी को, बी ऑर्डर देता है सी को, नेक्स्ट आगे ऑर्डर जाता है एक चेन के वे में। एंड दिस इज डिसिप्लिन, फॉलो द रूल्स। And next one is unity of direction and unity of command. यूनिटी ऑफ कमांड में क्या होगा, एक हेड एक प्लान के ऊपर रहेगा, मीन्स वन हेड वन प्लान को कवर करेगा, उसी के अकॉर्डिंग ही सारी इंस्ट्रक्शंस दी जाएंगी। यूनिटी ऑफ डायरेक्शन में पर्टिकुलर वर्क के लिए डिफरेंट डिफरेंट पर्सन हो सकते हैं, लेकिन एक काम जो है वो एक ही हेड के अंडर में होकर जाना चाहिए। डिफरेंट डिपार्टमेंट हेड हो सकते हैं। नेक्स्ट वन इज रेमुनरेशन ऑफ एम्प्लॉयज़। एम्प्लॉयज़ को रेमुनरेशन देने की बात करें तो जो पर्सन जितना काम कर रहा है उसको उसके अकॉर्डिंग वेजिस, सैलरी, रेमुनरेशन मिलना चाहिए, जिससे वो स्टेबिलिटी रहती है पर्सनल में, मोटिवेट होता रहता है। और साथ ही साथ अगर हम कहें कि टाइम पर रेमुनरेशन मिलता है तो पर्सन का जो है स्टैंडर्ड ऑफ लिविंग भी जो है इम्प्रूव होता है। नेक्स्ट वन हमारा है सेंट्रलाइजेशन एंड डिसेंट्रलाइजेशन। सेंट्रलाइजेशन में क्या होता है कि वन हेड होता है, वो जो है अपने नीचे सबॉर्डिनेट्स को वर्क दे देता है, अथॉरिटी अपने पास ही रखता है। डिसेंट्रलाइजेशन में क्या है, सारी अथॉरिटी जो है वो डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कर दी जाती है। सेंट्रलाइजेशन में सब कुछ सेंटर में रहेगा, आप डिवाइड नहीं कर सकते हैं, लेकिन डिसेंट्रलाइजेशन में सारी अथॉरिटी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी जो है वो दे दी जाती है। नेक्स्ट वन इज स्केलर चेन। आई रिपीट अगेन, स्केलर चेन। स्केलर चेन में हमारा गैंग प्लैंक रह गया था, आप देख सकते हैं ए बी सी डी और ई एफ जी। जी डी जो है वो जी को जब ऑर्डर करेगा तो वो गैंग प्लैंक बनता है हमारा। डी जी को जब करेगा मैसेज तो वो हम कह सकते हैं इमरजेंसी के केस में ये यूज़ किया जाता है गैंग प्लैंक। नेक्स्ट वन इज़ ऑर्डर। सब कुछ ऑर्डर में रहना चाहिए। एक पर्टिकुलर प्लेस होता है हर चीज़ का, पर्टिकुलर पर्सन पर्टिकुलर जॉब पर होना चाहिए, अपने इंटरेस्ट के अकॉर्डिंग, अपनी क्वालिफिकेशन के अकॉर्डिंग। हेलो, इक्विटी, पर्सन में इक्विटी की अगर बात की जाए तो जो पर्सन जितना वर्क कर रहा है उसको उसके अकॉर्डिंग रेमुनरेशन मिलने की बात हो रही है, या सभी जो एम्प्लॉयज़ हैं उनके साथ इक्वल बिहेव करना चाहिए। एंड नेक्स्ट वन इज स्टेबिलिटी ऑफ पर्सनल। पर्सनल की स्टेबिलिटी डिपेंड करती है जो हमारी वर्किंग एनवायरनमेंट है, या फिर हम कह सकते हैं कि हम कैसा बिहेव पर्सन के साथ कर रहे हैं, क्या उसको टाइम टू टाइम प्रमोशन मिल रहा है या नहीं मिल रहा है। एब्सेंटिज्म के बेस पर भी हम कह सकते हैं कि पर्सनल की स्टेबिलिटी देखी जा सकती है। इनिशिएटिव की अगर बात करें, कोई पर्सन को अपने आइडियाज़ देने के लिए, व्यूज़ देने के लिए जो है हम इनिशिएट ले सकते हैं। पर्सन को आइडिया देने के लिए मोटिवेट किया जा सकता है, और उसके आइडियाज़ को कुछ कुछ पसंद नहीं भी आता है तो थोड़ा यूज़ करेंगे। तो ये हमारा कहता है कि इनिशिएटिव जो है हम इस तरीके से कर सकते हैं। नेक्स्ट वन, लास्ट चीज, एस्पिरिट दे कोप्स। एस्पिरिट दे कोप्स क्या है? टीम वर्क होना चाहिए। जो भी हम काम कर रहे हैं, पर्टिकुलर जो हमारा मेन ऑब्जेक्टिव है उसको अचीव करने के लिए कर रहे हैं। यूनिटी होनी चाहिए, टीम वर्क होना चाहिए। बिना टीम वर्क के जो है काम नहीं किया जा सकता है। इसके साथ साथ हम ये कहते हैं कि टीम वर्क होगा तो हमारे ऑब्जेक्टिव अचीव करने में हमें हेल्प मिलेगी, और पर्सन जो है वो टीम वर्क के से ही जो है अपने, दिस इज़ द आइडिया फॉर नेक्स्ट प्रोजेक्ट, एनिमेशन प्रोजेक्ट। यहाँ एनिमेशन के बेस पर हम जो है अपने आइडिया दिखा सकते हैं, प्रोजेक्ट बना सकते हैं। Sure, it's my pleasure. Well, hope you are quite familiar with the concept of financial management. Yes, sir. It is concerned with the acquisitions and conservation of capital fund in meeting the financial needs and overall objectives. But how, sir? Roshan, it is very important to undertake financial management in a situation of deficient funds. It will help you. First of all, you should estimate the total fund requirement of the business, then prepare a capital structure. Excuse me, sir, what is a capital structure? A capital structure is the particular combination of debt and equity, and you know it help you to decide the ratio. Cash flow affect financial management? Definitely, it is a short-term objective of financial management. Okay, sir. It ensure proper coordination as well. Oh, it was due to lack of coordination. Interdepartmental conflicts are quite common in our company. Yes, Roshan, financial management can also create financial discipline. Proper distribution of finance can improve coordination as well as increase efficiently. Is not, sir? Absolutely, Roshan. You have to note one thing also. You have to prepare the capital structure in such a way what it reduce cost of capital. Let me ask you something. What about profit maximization and wealth maximization? These are the primary objective of our company. Yes, these are the primary objective of our company. This is in turn increase the wealth of the shareholders. I knew that financial management but was not aware of its objective. Now everything is quite clear for me. Hope you are quite clear with the objective of management, financial management. Thank you for your valuable suggestion. It's my This is another project of accountancy. In this project, you can take different ideas of your projects. Name of the subject: accountancy. Different concept of accountancy.
Basically, accounting is a systematic process
Accounting.
of identifying, measuring, recording, classifying, summarizing, interpreting,
Accounting
and
is an
communicating
art of
financial
recording,
information to
classifying,
the interested users. Gives
and
information
summarizing.
on the resources
Interpret the
available,
result in terms
how
of
the available
money.
resources have been employed, and the results achieved by their use.
Different users of accounting.
Since accounting is a medium of communication, it is called the language of business. Now, next we see characteristics of accounting.
Characteristic of accounting. Characteristics
Characteristics of accounting.
of accounting.
First is identification of financial
Identification.
transaction and event. It involves accounting records only those
And
transactions
record
and
of the
events
financial
which can
transaction
be measured
only.
in terms of money. This
And
involves
next one is
identifying transactions and events that are part of economic activity. For example, purchase of raw material or sale of finished goods by a firm. Such transactions are identified with the help of bills and receipts as evidence
recording
of the transaction.
only financial transaction.
Now, second is
Record
measuring the
in term
identified
of money
transaction.
only.
Accounting measures the transactions and events in terms of a
Source
formal
or
major
document of
activity.
accountancy.
Third is recording.
Recording
Fourth is
means
classifying.
original
Fifth is
record,
summarizing.
journal
This
entry,
involves presenting the classified data in a manner
and
which
after
is
that we
understandable
classify
and useful for
our
internal as well as
accounts.
external users of
And
company.
last, summarizing.
This process
In the
leads to the
summarizing we
preparation of the following
make
statements: trial balance,
trading count,
and
profit and loss account, and balance sheet for knowing the
Third, balance sheet.
profit and loss and financial condition of the business.
Final account or financial statement. Next is analysis and interpretation of the financial data.
And
are
next
carried
one
out
is
so that the users of financial data can make a meaningful judgment of the profitability and financial situations of accounting.
next one is limitations.
First, accounting is not fully exact. Second, unrealistic information.
Next one is bookkeeping.
But for that,
And
let's know about first,
what
what is account?
is account?
Account is an order of transactions under a particular head. It records not only the amount of transactions, but also their effect and direction. Account can be classified in two ways. First is traditional approach, which is also known as
Personal
business approach, and
account.
the other
Type of
modern approach,
accounts
which
is
is also known as
personal
accounting
account,
or analytical approach.
real
First,
account,
we will talk about
and
traditional
nominal
account. It has
account.
three main heads: personal account,
In
real
personal account,
account, and
our
nominal account.
rule is
Personal
debit the
account
receiver,
is related to
credit the
that is
giver.
individual, firm, company.
In real account, debit what
The
comes
rule of
in and
personal
credit
account
what
that is the
goes
receiver,
out.
the giver. Next
And
is
the
real
last
account.
one is
Real account are the
nominal
accounts which relate
account.
to tangible or intangible assets of a firm. For
In
example,
nominal
operating assets are
account,
land, building,
our
investments,
rule
plant and
is
machinery, stock or cash in hand, etc. The rule of real account is debit what comes in
debit
and credit what goes out.
all
And the last one is
expenses
nominal
and
account.
losses,
Accounts which relate to
credit
expenses,
the
assets,
all
gains,
income
revenues,
and
etc. are known as
gains.
nominal accounts. For example, salary account, purchases account, interest paid account, sales account, and
These
commission
are
account.
three
The
types
rule of
of
nominal account is
account:
debit all expenses and losses
personal,
and credit
real,
all
and
income and gains.
nominal account.
Now we will head towards the modern approach and its
And
rules.
next one is rule of debit
Under this
option
approach,
and
all accounts are
credit
classified into
option,
5 categories.
assets
First is asset account,
accounts, liability account,
third is capital
capital accounts,
Fourth is revenue
revenue accounts,
Fifth is
and expenses accounts.
asset accounts are those
These
accounts
type
which
of
show the economic
project
performance of an enterprise,
you can
such as land
make
and buildings, plant and machinery, etc.
with your
Second is
topic.
liability accounts. Liability accounts are accounts of lenders, creditors for goods, etc. Next is capital account. It is account of proprietors or partners who have invested